Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well today. Now, if you're anything like me, you're always looking for new ways to gain more freedom in your life, especially financial freedom. I've been diving deep into various online business models over the years, and I've come across something that caught my attention. It's called Ultimate Freedom Elite Mentoring, and it claims to help people build their very own automated online businesses in just a few days. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to break down what this system is all about, how it works, and whether it's something that could potentially change your life. The first thing I want to touch on is how the system promises to work. Essentially, it's a done-for-you system that's supposed to help you create an online business with minimal effort. It claims you only need a smartphone and an internet connection. That's it. No complicated setups, no products to create, and need for expensive ads or a huge upfront investment. The system is designed to work for people who are short on time, like busy parents, or those working multiple jobs. It's all about leveraging short 7-second viral video uploads that can be shared on social media platforms like Instagram. The real pitch here is that these quick uploads can send massive traffic to a sales funnel, which is where the magic supposedly happens. The system is automated, meaning you don't have to do much once it's set up. The marketing, the selling, and even customer support are all handled for you by the team behind this system. All you need to do is bring people in by sharing these short, engaging videos. The idea is simple: get people to click on a link, and then they'll be introduced to high-ticket digital products that can generate big commissions. Now, the system isn't just about uploading videos for fun. The focus is on high-ticket digital products. These are products that cost thousands of dollars, and you can earn a significant referral fee when someone buys through your link. The big selling point is that these products have a high profit margin. Instead of making a small commission on low-cost items, you could be earning up to 50% of the sale on high-ticket items. But here's where things get interesting. The system claims to be able to build your entire business in just 72 hours. That's right, 72 hours or less. Imagine having a fully automated business up and running in just a few days, without any of the usual headaches that come with starting an online business. You don't have to worry about setting up a website, creating your own products, or running ads. The team behind this system does all the heavy lifting for you. The testimonials in the video are compelling. They feature people from all over the world who've seen impressive results. Some of them are making tens of thousands of dollars a month, with many sharing how quickly they were able to turn things around. There are stories of people quitting their day jobs, traveling the world, and living the kind of lifestyle that many people dream of. And I'll be honest, seeing these success stories can be incredibly motivating. But here's where you need to think critically. While the success stories are inspiring, we all know that not every program that claims to offer financial freedom is all it's cracked up to be. There's always a risk when it comes to these types of opportunities. One thing I've learned over the years is that nothing comes easy. Success typically requires a lot of work, patience, and a bit of luck. The system may work for some people, but it may not work for everyone. And while the upfront promise is that it's all automated, there's no guarantee of success. Even with a system that's 90% done for you, you still have to put in the effort to make it work, and results can vary greatly depending on a number of factors. Another important thing to consider is the cost. While the video talks about how the system can be set up for free, there may be hidden costs involved once you get started. Programs like this often have upsells, additional training, or premium services that you might need to access in order to fully benefit from the system. Always make sure to do your research and understand exactly what you're committing to before jumping in. That being said, if you're someone who's been struggling to get your online business off the ground, or if you've been looking for a way to earn extra income without having to reinvent the wheel, This system could be worth exploring. Just remember to approach it with an open mind and a healthy level of skepticism. Look at the testimonials, evaluate the process, and ask yourself if it aligns with your goals and values. If you're serious about financial freedom, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to building wealth online, but if you're willing to put in the work and stay consistent, this could be a way to take a step toward the lifestyle you've been dreaming about. If you're interested, I encourage you to check out more information, maybe try a free trial, or get in touch with someone who's already using the system to see if it's a good fit for you. Remember, the key to success online is finding something that works for you and sticking with it. If Ultimate Freedom Elite Mentoring fits that bill, then maybe it's time to give it a shot. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.